Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel and Merry Christmas in advance. I'm back with another Brazilian wool hairstyle, and today I'll be showing you how I made this no drawstring braided ponytail. So sit back and let's get started. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave your comments. Also, kindly subscribe to my channel. After cutting the wool, I picked about 10 pieces and braided till I got to the end. Then I tied up the ends to prevent it from unraveling. I trimmed off the excesses and put beads on the braids. As you can see, I did not put beads on 3 braids because I'll be wrapping them around my hair when I install the ponytail. To install the ponytail, I'll suggest you put your hair into a very small bun before you attach your ponytail in order to make the installation as flawless as possible. come to the end of today's video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.